So to create one more sample space from a tree diagram, we went ahead and pasted in the whole rolling a dice 2 times. I can tell I've rolled it twice because I have 1 roll right here, and there are set branches here. So 2 rolls. One of the possibilities is obviously that very top, which says, okay, start here, trace up and over. So I get the 1 on the first roll, and then trace all the way up to the first one. So I get a 1 and then another 1. That's my first option. Now I can tell I have a lot of options here because then I could have a 1 and a 2, I could have a 1 and a 3, I could have a 1 and a 4, and so forth. Well, these are a ton of options, so instead of listing them all out in my sample space, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go ahead and count them. And I notice I have 6 options in the top one. So there's 6 here. And then each of these has the same number of options, right? So each of these has 6 as well. And I've got in total 6 of them. So there are 6 total with 6 each, which will give me 6 times 6, or 36 options, which sure enough lines up with the way we used to do the formula as well. That is, we know from before that if we take the number of possible outcomes to the number of trials, we can get the overall size of the sample space. Well, in this case, for each roll of the dice, there are 6 possible outcomes. And we're doing it twice, or 2 rolls, so we'd have 6 squared, or sure enough, 36 options.